What law were we breaking that you came over here to talk to us?
No, in the state of Alabama, any boat that's on a state-owned waterway, we stop just to make sure that they have all their life-saving equipment, like your life jackets.
Have you ever wondered what happens when police stop someone without enough legal justification? Hi everyone, and thanks for being here. Today we're looking at two real encounters. The first takes place in Alabama, where a citizen is stopped despite officers struggling to articulate any reasonable suspicion. The second comes from Stone Mountain Park, Georgia, where officers investigate a man riding a four-wheeler and quickly begin demanding identification, even after he says he's done riding and is putting the vehicle away. Both encounters raise the same constitutional question. When does a police investigation become an unlawful detention? Let's break it down.
And that you have a fire extinguisher. That's all that I'm over here for. Do you have your driver's license on you with your vessel endorsement?
Yes, sure do.
Can I take a look at that, please, sir?
What for?
Well, I mean, you don't have to show it to
I
me.
don't have to show it to you.
Well, I was just going to say I could run it by your last name and your first name.
I haven't done it as of you know.
Well, I didn't say that you broke any law.
No, I didn't.
Can you show me your fire extinguisher for me? Does your horn work on your boat, or do you have like an air horn? Do you have an air horn? Okay. Is this your boat?
That's my boat.
Do you have your registration for it? Just to make sure that you're the owner of the boat. And by law, you're supposed to have, just like your car registration, whenever you've been pulled over, same thing as a boat. You got to have your registration.
So there's a law in Alabama saying you can pull up and ask for that stuff without.
Yes, there is.
Really?
Yeah, our probable cause, like on the water side of things, is to enforce boating safety laws. So any boat that we see, whether they're fishing, running, tubing, whatever, we could stop them and make sure that they have all their safety equipment.
What was your probable cause?
Well, I just told you. The fact that you're out here and you're in a boat, we have the right to come over here and make sure that you have all your life jackets and
If a
stuff.
car is driving down the road, you don't have probable cause
I
to
can't
pull in.
hear you. I got these engines running.
If a car is driving down the road, you don't have probable cause to pull a car over unless they've got a brake light out or don't use a turn signal
Unless
or
they break a
speeding.
traffic law or something
Yeah, exactly.
like
So
that.
what boating law were we breaking to make you come over here?
Again, never said that you were breaking a boating law. I stated what gave us probable cause or the right, whatever way you want to look at it, to come over here and talk to y'all to make sure that y'all.
Get your boat off mine.
I'm sorry
You
about
don't
that,
care.
sir. That is why I pulled up to you.
Because I haven't done anything.
I didn't say you did.
Well,
Like
we
you were
got that.
talking about, whenever you're on the highway or on the roadway, you have to break a traffic law to be pulled over. Cops can't just pull you over for no reason. You know that just as well as I do. It's different on the water. You being out here, you're supposed to have certain things, fire extinguisher, life jackets, all that stuff. We make sure that y'all do, but it's the same thing when they ask you for your driver's license. We ask you for your driver's license to identify who you are and to see if you've taken a boater safety class. And it's usually going to be a little V on your license. Well, I just told you what my probable cause was. To make sure that y'all have all the safety equipment. But I don't really want to sit here and argue.
I don't think.
Well, I mean, you haven't got to that point yet, but you have to identify yourself.
Why?
You know that. You have to.
Why? What do I do? I don't. I know I don't.
I was just going to write you a warning for your fire extinguisher is all that I was. Well, you don't have, do you have a type 4 throwable or a life ring? That's the only other thing that I didn't ask you for. And all these things that I've asked you for, by law, you're supposed to have in a boat in the state of Alabama. So
Hey.
if you don't have all the safety equipment that you're supposed to have, by law, you've broken a law. Game warden or state troopers on the water can come over there and inspect your boat at any time. We try to stay away from the ones that we kind of see out here all the time, because then it would be kind of like we're harassing,
Well, I'm gonna
impeding people's time.
I'm gonna do some research on it. Go ahead and give him your license. You don't have nothing to hide.
Instead of filming me, why don't you like Google it?
I'll do that later.
See how it says a V at the end of it?
Yeah.
That's for your vessel.
I know
Do you have
that.
your registration?
Yeah, I got it.
Can I see that, please, sir? Is him being non-compliant have anything to do with stuff that you've told him? Like, I have the life ring or throw cushion?
Yeah.
Can I see that, please, sir?
Were you recording with your body cam the whole time?
Yeah.
Okay.
The only time I wasn't recording with my body cam was when I was trying to get your fishing line out of there. I had to take it off so it didn't fall in the water.
Are y'all required to wear masks or anything when y'all come up and talk to people?
I haven't been within 6 feet of
The Fourth Amendment protects every citizen from unreasonable searches and seizures. That means officers cannot detain someone simply because they want to ask questions. In this encounter, the officer repeatedly questions the citizen, but never clearly explains what crime he suspects. That matters because in Terry v. Ohio, 1968, the Supreme Court ruled that police may briefly detain someone only when they have specific and articulable facts creating reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. So here's the question. If officers can't explain what crime they're investigating, what legal basis exists for the detention? The court reinforced this protection in Brown v. Texas, 1979, holding that police cannot stop someone and demand identification without reasonable suspicion. Without a lawful detention, the officer's authority to demand compliance becomes much weaker.
Is there a reason why?
Yeah, you just can't ride four-wheelers in Stone Mountain Park without a helmet.
Actually, the guy told me I could. The
What guy?
worker here.
What guy?
In one of them buggies, in one of the side-by-sides.
Like
He
an
told me I
employee?
could, yeah.
Okay, that is incorrect. You can't ride four-wheelers. These are state roads, just like any road in the state of Georgia.
Well, I wasn't really riding on the road. I was riding on the
Okay.
sidewalk
You can't
and on the trail.
ride, you can't ride four-wheelers on the sidewalk.
Is there
Anything like that. Where did-
paperwork?
Yeah, we can use paperwork. I can get my ticket book. I'll be right back. You got your driver's license on you?
Is there any
you
probable
driver's
cause for me to?
Probable cause, yeah.
You're riding a four-wheeler
Yeah,
on the
let me get-
sidewalk and on
let me
the
get
road.
you-
No, but I mean, I put it away.
Where's
Did
it
you?
at? It's right there.
Yeah, I'm about to load it
Look,
up.
all right, look, do you have a trailer?
No, it's my truck.
It's in your is that your truck? Where's your truck?
Do I have to tell you which my truck? I just told you I'm about to put it away. I came back to where I'm fishing.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you to load it back in your truck.
Yeah.
And then you can.
If I don't ride it, then there's no reason for y'all to get my driver's license.
Obviously, listen, I'm going to let you ride it from there to wherever you parked. One of these, I'm guessing, is your truck.
No, you're not gonna let me. I'm gonna.
Okay, yes,
You're not
going
gonna
to,
let
but
me.
You can't legally
you-
ride it in the park.
And I said okay. I
Okay.
told the police I was gonna put it up, and she let me know that I couldn't ride it, so I came straight back.
Okay.
You found me where I'm at. So can y'all guys go ahead and move along?
Well,
I don't know why somebody called y'all and said
Look, we
I was driving
keep-
recklessly through the truck,
we
and I
keep
was
getting
not.
calls on it. That's why we're here. I'm not.
And then go talk to them. Don't come talk to
well,
me.
You're the one that's breaking.
Go
the-
talk to
the
them. They
ordinance, not
called.
us,
They're
okay?
the one with the worries. I'm not the one with the worries.
You're the one that keeps.
Go
driving
find them.
the four-wheeler
Go find them and
in
talk
the
to
place
them.
that's
They're the
not
ones that
legally
called.
To call. To ride
Who
a
called,
four-wheeler.
sir?
I don't know who. I don't
And
know
then
who
go
called,
find them. I don't have no problem. I didn't call you guys, so why would you guys come to me?
but You are the problem. We're asking that you don't.
I
ride it
solved the
anymore.
problem. The officer said I couldn't. I came and trying to put it up.
All right. So you're gonna put it up?
What is he doing?
Are you gonna put it up? So you done riding it?
I didn't. I just said that.
Okay. Well then put it up.
Why do I have to put it up when you're here?
Because you're the one riding it illegally. We keep getting calls and complaints.
I'm not
on
even gonna turn on anymore. I can push it to where I'm gonna load it.
it. Okay.
There's no reason for you to check my stuff anyways. That's
I was
probably.
looking at the bin. I was going to see.
I don't care what you're looking at. I said you couldn't. You didn't ask me.
I don't
That's a
have to ask
search
you. I can look
and
at
that's a
anything I want
search
to.
right there.
This is the United States of America. I can
Yeah,
look at anything
exactly, right?
Right. So where's
So
your
you
truck
violated my rights for you asking me for an
Where's your
ID.
truck at?
He's gonna load it.
I'm
in
not
the truck.
asking you.
Well, go get your truck.
I'm not
and
telling
go load
you.
it up.
You're
and
not
don't
telling
ride
me
it on
what
the
to do,
road.
sir.
I just did.
I can go ahead and leave the park as soon as y'all
you sure
leave.
can. That's a good idea.
Yeah, as
a
soon
good
as y'all
idea.
leave.
You do that.
Am I free to go?
Yeah.
I'm
take
free
off.
to stay.
Go get your truck, load it up.
I'm free
and
to
get
stay
ready.
then, right?
What's that?
I'm free to stay, right?
Well,
If
you're
I'm free to go-
bordering
if
on
I'm
that
free to
line
go,
where you're
then-
about to get ejected from the park.
You can do whatever you want, sir.
I'm not. I'll do what needs to be done.
Okay.
But what you're going to do is, like you said, you're free
Okay,
to
I'm done
leave.
talking.
Go get your materials.
free
Go
to
get
leave.
your truck.
Free to
Put
stay,
your-
right?
Put your dirt
You're
bike
free to
in
stay
it or
as long
whatever
as
it
you're not
is.
riding a four-wheeler.
Am I free to leave?
Yeah. we
I'm
don't
free to
take you.
stay.
You are free to stay.
Y'all can
As
go
long as
ahead
you're
and
not
go.
riding
Y'all
the
can
four-wheeler.
go ahead and go, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, so you're going to go get
Have
your
a wonderful
four-wheeler and put it in the
day.
truck?
Have a wonderful day, sir.
I hope you have a great day too, but go get
All
your
right.
four-wheeler and put it in the truck. We're going to make sure this is taken care of.
What's
before
your
we
name
leave.
and your badge number, sir?
My badge number is 117, Mark.
Don't get in my face like that.
Oh, I just wanted to make sure you heard it.
You're really close.
So where's your truck at?
Hey, you got my keys.
Right. Where's your truck at?
Can I have
That's
my
to keep
keys?
you from riding
that's
it off.
that's my property. You got my property now?
Yeah. Where's your truck at?
Can you have a business card?
No, I don't have
No,
a business
you got a
card.
business
You got
card?
your truck?
You do? Can I get
Yeah.
one? Thank you
Where's
so
your
much,
truck
sir.
at, bud? We're trying to make this easy and simple. All you have to do is
I told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, well,
I came to where I'm parked.
Where is your truck?
Why? I don't need to answer your questions.
Take your key, put it in there. Where's your
Don't
truck?
tell me
But
what
you
to do.
can't-
Just tell me
listen,
give my property,
Listen
sir.
to me. Here's your key. Take it and put
Look,
it in there.
have my
put it
property.
in your truck. Okay?
Without any consent or him confiscating my property, he took my keys off
I'm
my
giving you the
property.
benefit of the doubt because I was going to
Listen,
check it to see if
sir.
it was stolen. Okay, if you want to continue to
Stolen.
push this effort, if you want to continue to push this, you can make it worse
Go
on
run
yourself.
it to-
We're
run
trying
the
to be
bin.
nice.
Run
We're
the
saying
bin.
you can go on your way.
Run the
All you have
bin.
to do
Go ahead and run the
is
bin.
go get that thing and put it in your truck.
Run the bin if you think it's
And don't
stolen.
ride
Do
it
your
on the
job
road
then.
anymore.
Don't come bother
Can
me.
you do that?
Don't bother me.
Can you do
Run your
that?
tag.
Listen.
I already said. I don't know why. Don't talk to
Yeah,
them.
they're
Don't talk to
together, I
them.
think
Don't,
so.
don't talk to them.
That's all you got to do. That's all we're asking.
You can.
I told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, we'll go put it
What
up.
did I say, ma'am?
You said you would put it up.
All right,
It's not
man.
up yet. Where are you parked?
Right here.
Okay, go ahead and put it up.
All right, I'll put it up whenever I leave. Whenever y'all leave.
Yes.
Look,
That's all he has to do.
I don't
We're
have.
trying to be
I won't
simple.
ride it no more. I won't turn it on no more. I promise
it.
you. Like
That's
I told
it.
her.
You got it.
All right, you got it.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you guys.
Just don't
Go
ride
ahead.
anymore.
In Georgia, officers respond to complaints about a man riding a four-wheeler. By the time they arrive, he says he's finished riding and is preparing to leave. Even then, officers continue demanding identification, asking where his truck is, and one officer briefly takes his keys. Another question naturally follows. If the stop was already over, why continue demanding ID? In Heibel v. 6th Judicial District Court, 2004, the Supreme Court ruled that a person may be required to identify himself only during a lawful Terry stop, and only where state law authorizes it. The court added another important limit in Rodriguez v. United States, 2015. Police may not prolong a stop beyond the time reasonably necessary to address its original purpose unless new reasonable suspicion develops. When the citizen calmly asks, "Am I free to go?" the officers answer yes. His response changes the entire encounter. If I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. A consensual encounter cannot become a detention without legal justification. These two encounters demonstrate the same constitutional principle. The Fourth Amendment allows police to investigate, but only within constitutional limits. The key Supreme Court decisions are Terry v. Ohio. Reasonable suspicion is required before an investigative detention. Brown v. Texas. Police cannot detain someone and demand identification without reasonable suspicion. Heibel v. 6th Judicial District Court. ID can only be required during a lawful investigative detention where state law allows it. Rodriguez v. United States. Police cannot extend a stop longer than necessary without new reasonable suspicion. Knowing these cases isn't about arguing with officers. It's about recognizing the difference between a lawful investigation and an unlawful detention. If you enjoy constitutional law, police audits, and real legal analysis, subscribe for more breakdowns of real encounters and the rights that protect every American citizen.